Hello, welcome everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you here actually about to help you on this progress. So first of all, what you're gonna do is about to start to see and change file or see file size. Sorry. So first of all, what you're gonna do is about to see everything below this video. Is about be important to deal with that. So really, what you gonna do is about to follow this video. The file size can be actually done through that after you save it. So so everything is this progress. So really what you're gonna do is about start to click here on this file and then start to click here on save local copy. Once you click on save local copy, this will be added to your PC and you will start to see how much size in your Figma project you have actually. For example, I have like 1 megabyte and 100 kilobytes. 1100 kilobytes in the projects. So that is actually how it's working on that on this progress. I hope you see this video helpful and thank you for watching.